So we have to fold these cardboard spacers up. There's several different spacers that go. It's these 3 spacers here that are part of the packing process. And before I had to put the staple gun down, come over here, fold it up, and then hold it in place while I grab the staple gun to staple it. I did probably 3 of those like that. I got sick of it. I came up with this little solution. I just taped a carabiner open on there, put a carabiner on my belt loop. Needs more tape to hold it stiff because it was stiff earlier. But then that way you can hang it there, fold it up, grab the gun, staple. And then we're on to the next.